Hi there, I'm Sune from Codebrate, and today I'm going to give you 5 things that you should consider when setting up a dashboard. So, number 1 is that the things you put on your dashboard should be relevant. And it sounds pretty obvious, but it just means that things on there should be relevant to you. This means that the data you put there should actually make sense to you. Quite often we see that you take like a generic dashboard for marketing or whatever, and it has a lot of data that is not relevant. And that's just something that is going to annoy you and it's going to distract you. So only relevant data. It also means that you should only put things that you're currently trying to improve. That means that you shouldn't put anything that you're not going to work with right now, because then you won't look at it and it won't really tell you anything, and it might actually distract you from what has priority right now. So let's go to the second thing. The second thing is that it should be visual. This means that it should be easy and fast to read. So when you just look at it at a glance, you should easily be able to see the relevant data and the data you want to see. You should also choose the right chart types, and there's actually not that many chart types that you should put in a dashboard. So that could be things like, if you show daily sales, it could just be a number telling you how many sales you had right now. It could also be that if you look at things like the activity on your website and stuff like that, then you might want to see it in a historical perspective to see how it developed over time. And that's a different chart for that. You shouldn't just put raw data in there, because that is not something you'll look at when you look at a dashboard. That is something you can do when you have to drill down into what happened. Number 3 is that it should be very simple. It should be very transparent what you see, and it should be very easy for you to interpret the meaning of what you see. That doesn't mean that it can be hard to calculate the stuff you want to see, but the outcome should be very easy to read for you. Now, number 4 is that it should be live, which means that it should update automatically. That means that whenever there is a new relevant value, then the dashboard should update itself. Or it could be that you have to put in something in an Excel sheet or something, that's also fine. But it's not nice to have a dashboard that you have to refresh all the time to see new values. That is not going to give you value hanging there on the wall in the office. And lastly, number 5 is that it should be adjustable. Things change all the time, the strategy changes, what you want to do changes, all that stuff, and then suddenly you see yourself having a dashboard that is too old, not showing what you focus on right now. And then you need to call a developer or something like that. You should choose a dashboard solution that makes it very easy for you to set up your own dashboards just the way you want them. So those are the 5 tips. We hope you can use them, and please leave a comment below how you like your own dashboards, and if we missed anything. Thanks for watching.